A lot of that was film.
Yes.
That we showed there. The colors so vibrant. What'd your mom tell you about that back then?
You know, that was one of her greatest memories. She was 18 years old and she was like, I'm going to see if I can just do it, because she had taken tap dances her entire life, and she did it and she won the whole thing. So one of her greatest memories, she used to talk about it all the time, but it's always cool that we have that kind of piece of Crusade history.
I know, preserved forever for you to see. And those big stages back then, and that was just down from south of the station down at Memorial Auditorium back then.
Yeah, great footage. So thanks to our editors for finding that. And of course, I supplied some of those photos of my mom.
Well, you'll be a big part of the Crusade tomorrow. You've got a big long day on the air.
Yes, so you will catch me tomorrow down in Paristown ahead of the variety show at night. We have kind of a celebration before it from 3:30 to 6. I'm going to have my water and my sunscreen, but thankfully we're shaded tomorrow. But we do have high temperatures climbing into the upper 80s, a lot of humidity as well. So with that, we could see an isolated shower storm, but I really think most of us look to stay dry tomorrow. A lot of that activity will be hanging off to our north. Then on Sunday, expect similar temperatures, higher humidity, and a slightly better chance of seeing some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. Rain chances, though, look to really ramp up. It looks like more so early next week. So I'd say Monday, Tuesday, potentially into Wednesday as well. And with this, we're going to have a lot more moisture in the air, so heavier rain is going to be more of a threat than any kind of severe weather potential. But many of us could pick up 1 inch to 2 inches of rainfall over the next 5 days. Right now, the bulk of that moisture, the higher humidity, still off to our west. We have dew points currently in the upper 50s, but a lot of that will be headed our direction. We have some clouds that are streaming in, but all looking to stay dry tonight. And as I mentioned, likely most of tomorrow as well. Expect overnight lows just to fall into the mid to upper 60s, lower 70s, depending on cloud cover and how much wind we do have overnight. Partly sunny skies tomorrow with highs in the 80s. And then once we head into Sunday, looking at a similar case here with temperatures climbing back into the mid to upper 80s. And this is where we could have isolated to scattered storms. I will let you know the latest model runs not as excited about the rain chance on Sunday. So we might be able to squeeze in more dry time for the Crusade on Sunday, which is always good news. But in general, expect partly sunny conditions this weekend, heat and humidity, and then better rain chances that really ramp up Monday and Tuesday of next week. So your 7-day forecast shows just that. Definitely looking a lot more summer-like after just a beautiful stretch of weather that we've had here lately over the last week or so. You'll notice that active pattern takes us into the first half of next week, and then just very hot by Thursday and Friday with highs in the lower 90s.